On this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious quarter pounder with cheese, or two, or a double stack cheeseburger if you prefer, in just 5 minutes. And that includes the prep time. Hi all, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. Now, in addition to showing you how to cook a quarter pounder with cheese in about 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make your hamburgers or cheeseburgers cooked in your kitchen taste just like they came off the grill. Let's get started. For those of you who are regular subscribers, you know I have a new favorite appliance. And what I love about it is that it's dishwasher safe. In my last video, I showed you how to cook delicious BLT sandwiches in about 7 minutes. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to cook quarter pounders with cheese. Let's go ahead and assemble the grill. It has 4 parts: a drip tray, a lower section, the control with this probe, which by the way is safe to touch, there's no risk of electrical shock, and the upper section. To cook the burgers, unlike bacon, we need to plug in the grill, close the lid, and preheat it until the light on top turns green. Once the light is green, we can place our 1/4 pound burgers directly onto the cooking surface. Believe it or not, it only takes 3 minutes to cook these 1/4 pound frozen hamburgers. After 3 minutes, check the burgers to ensure the burgers are above 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Obviously, these are. Now we can unplug the grill and rotate the burgers to give them a better presentation with crisscross grill marks. Leave the burgers on the grill and add 2 slices of cheese to each one, just like McDonald's quarter pounders with cheese. McDonald's also uses dehydrated onions, ketchup, mustard, and pickles. And this is what our homemade quarter pounder with cheese looks like. For a flame-broiled smoky taste, mix 1/2 cup of water with 4 tablespoons of liquid smoke. Dip your burgers in this mixture just before cooking them in a pan or on a countertop grill. It's important not to let the burgers soak in the water. Just dip them in and take them out. Yep, it's that easy. If you want to get one of these dishwasher-friendly grills, look for the link in the lower left-hand corner of this video to our Amazon store, or find it in the description. Thanks for watching.